Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I want to give a shout out to all my subs, all my viewers. Thanks for watching. I want to give a big shout out to my boss. Without him, these videos wouldn't be possible. And last and most importantly, I want to thank God for protecting me through these situations I go through. Anyway, without further ado, I got to yank a car right up here. It's been sitting here for a while. The manager said it's kind of halfway double parked. It's been sitting there for too long. It's got to go. Anyway, we're gonna roll to the yard after we sign it out. There we go. There's my next one right there. Somebody didn't fix their tag or didn't call the office, so we're gonna have to load that one up. Looks like we got a payout on this camera. If you want to pay it out, you're welcome to pay it out.
I need to see the paperwork, please.
What do you need to see?
I need to get a notice for that one because I tried to pay for that one. I mean the tag.
Yeah.
Yeah, I tried to pay for that one by today, but I just saw the car pull away.
Yeah. Hey, listen. You have the option to pay it out right here. Does it drive?
Yeah, I still drive this one. Yes.
Yeah, it still drives.
Yeah,
okay.
I still drive it.
Okay.
Can I see the paperwork?
I just left the office just now.
Okay. Yes, I understand that.
Yeah.
Because the office needs to tell me that I need to change the license plate or something like.
Yeah. Well, they put a sticker on it.
I know, right?
That's sent from the office. So if you want to pay it.
Okay, let me talk to them real quick right now because.
Well, listen, I'm gonna tell you. I'll be completely honest with you, man. And I'm not trying to be talked down to you or anything like that.
I understand that, but
the best bet for you to get it off the truck is to pay the $100 drop fee. I've already signed the ticket. I'm fixing to leave.
I know, right?
If I take it, it's $175.
I know, right? But I have to talk to them real quick right now.
All right, you can talk to them, man, but you're gonna have to pay it out. It's $100. Listen, if you go in there and talk to them, it's gonna cost you $175 more because I'm fixing to leave.
But they didn't notice me, man. They didn't.
Yeah, that sticker. I understand, man. I understand. The sticker's notification. The sticker's notification. And hey, it ain't just you. We towed 4 cars, not just yours.
Okay. Back in the day, I'm back, baby.
And so if you want to pay it out, you can pay it out.
But I just got out from town. I just got home and then I got a ticker.
I understand.
Can I tell them real quick and then let's see what happened? Because I know the car got a ticker, but they didn't tell me what happened to it.
Well, listen, I know. Listen, if you would have called the office before,
I didn't have any notification from them.
Well, you had the sticker, man. You tried to peel the sticker off. You tried to peel the sticker off, so you had
no, I didn't do anything.
Somebody peeled the sticker
off.
No,
that's why I had to talk right now because I didn't know anything from the car. I just got out from town.
Well, I understand. Somebody, either somebody in your family or somebody, evidently somebody peeled the sticker off.
But I understand, but I didn't do that. I didn't know that I have the notification on the car.
Yeah, I understand, man. I understand.
I'm sorry, I just got out from town and then I got home and then I see the car. I tried to stop at the office right now. I see my car right here. So that's
I mean, I understand. Listen, I understand fully. This is what I do, man. And like I said, I'm trying to be fair. I'm trying to be fair. But your best bet is to pay the $100 drop fee.
I don't have any money right now.
You have a debit card?
I don't have a debit card. For real, my bank account right now. I just got out from town.
Where's your other car at? Which one's your other car?
I have 3 cars. I have 2 cars. My friend just moved from town. I tried to get a sticker right now.
So you got 3 cars?
Yeah.
Well, see,
but I try to move out right now. Everybody move out. Yeah.
I
So right now, I just got another call from town. You see the license plate right there? This that's the license plate, and my friend trying to help me out right now.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah,
I
I tried to
understand.
get the thing.
Well, let me talk to him too.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Yeah.
Doing good. I was explaining to him, the car got stickered.
I know, but he doesn't understand English.
All right, listen, you do. You need to pay the $100 drop fee because I'm gonna pull out, man. I mean, that's
right now. I just I see the car right here. You know.
I understand. I understand. And listen, you have the option.
I understand this is your job, right? But I mean, right now my bank account broke. They hacked my bank account. They transfer money out, for real. I got stuck, man.
I understand.
Yeah, look, I show you right now because even a credit card, debit card, I don't have any money. They're trying to send the money out right now.
I understand. I understand.
Yeah, that's a lot of money. I tried to call the bank, and then my account was hacked, and then right now my car's stolen. You know. I'm so sorry about it.
Yeah.
I didn't notice because just somebody tried to peel something on the car. Is that up there?
Yeah, somebody tried to peel the sticker off.
I understand because my.
Hey, let me give you some advice. If you ever get stickered again, it don't matter this property or wherever. Hey, immediately call your office manager.
Okay,
immediately.
Right now,
see, it's too late now to call. You can go talk to them, but it's on the truck, man. You got to pay it out. It's on the truck.
Because I didn't see any notice.
I know. Somebody saw the notice and they peeled it off the back. They peeled the sticker off, man, or started to peel the sticker off. I'll show you. Somebody peeled the sticker here. Sticker's been peeled.
That's not me. That's not me.
Somebody peeled that sticker off.
That's not me.
Yeah.
I just got from town. That's why I didn't know it. It just happened. My girlfriend told me it's only 2 days.
Yeah, but somebody peeled the sticker off. Like I said, man, your best bet, man, is just to pay the drop fee.
Okay, can you
yeah.
for me real quick?
Well, I'm not gonna wait, man.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
I'm gonna pull out of here now. We can go ahead and hook this car on up, man, and get it off the property, man. He's not figuring this out.
So
that is legal. What they doing is legal.
Yeah,
I didn't try to call on the tree, so that's why I parked the car. I tried to get a new tag for that.
It doesn't matter if it's on the tree, on the sidewalk, wherever it is. If the tag is expired, and we tagged those cars on Thursday last week.
But for real, I just got out from town. I tried to just land. I tried. I get a new tag for that one by today or tomorrow. So that's why I tried to do right now. But I just got home and then the car towed away. Just try to stop by and then see the car on the truck right now. So that's why you can help me because right now my bank account I don't have enough money to pay for $100 right now.
Well, can I say something?
Please do. Absolutely.
In her defense, if she lets you go, there's 3 other people that got towed. It's not fair to them. If she tells you you can stay, she didn't. That's not fair.
It just happened to me by today. It just happened to me.
Listen, so. I can give you the information. It's like 3 miles from here. It's not that far to come get it. I told you that before you came in here. I waited because I'm polite. Most drivers would have left, and I know her as a manager, and I respect.
That's why
everybody.
I respect you. I appreciate it. I respect you, right? Because I'm resident here. I've been here like 2 years, but my car. It just last.
But let's be honest. I mean, so somebody did try to peel the sticker off. So somebody knew. Somebody did know.
I didn't.
The sticker's been peeled.
I didn't.
Somebody knew that it wasn't like you didn't have. Somebody in your family or somebody knew it was stickered, and they tried to peel the sticker. I could show you. They tried to peel the sticker, so they knew. And that probably happened last week when they peeled the sticker. Somebody peeled the sticker, and all they had to do was call. All you had to do was call up here to the office.
I swear I didn't do it. I just noticed by today because I got.
Well, maybe somebody at your house may have pulled the sticker,
Charlie-
but you
Yeah,
can't
I
say
know.
you didn't know it was, you wasn't notified, because somebody in the household peeled the sticker off, so there was notification.
And
Somebody did.
anybody that needs an extension, they all come to my
Just
office.
call, yeah.
And I
Yeah.
always sign it and give it 2-3 days extra.
So you either pay.
Did you take the credit card?
Yeah, we take credit card. Yeah.
Okay, just take a credit card.
Okay. Hey, I'm gonna get you to call the number. I'll get you to call the number right now.
But it's not good because I'm willing to pay for that. If I try on the trade and then I got
Hey,
pulled over.
Call this number right here on the phone. I don't have a copy of that, but I'm gonna give you a picture. Take a picture of this. This is your copy.
Okay.
And it's your copy, because
Okay,
this will be
okay.
my copy here.
Okay.
That way you'll have a copy of it.
I
But
know
it's
it's your job. I understand that. It's your job.
I understand. And everybody does not know how the legality of stuff works.
know.
They had pictures.
Hello. I tried to pay for the tips.
Tell me doing a payout. Hey, Ashley, it's a payout.
Okay.
He's doing a payout.
$100?
Yeah, $100 payout on property.
All right. Hey, Miss Kim's calling, asking where you're at, by the way.
Hey, tell her I'll be there in about 20.
What's your invoice number, Johnny?
85525. I'm gonna step over here where you're not on camera with your card information.
Okay.
Somebody in his household knew about the sticker, and evidently they didn't tell him or something like that. But the manager, she stuck to her guns and told him he's got to pay it out. That's how managers do. They have to make a decision, and that's what she did.
They already charged.
Anyway, we got done with that. We'll go pick up another call.